Hey guys, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel, The Organized Soprano. If you're new here, my name is Kay. I'm a professional organizer. I can't say that with my Invisalign in. I'm a professional organizer and singer here in the Boston area, and I'm here to inspire you to live a more organized life. If you hear crazy panting in the background, it's Mr. Clobean. Where are you? Where are you? There he is. He just came back from the park and he is real hot. Buddy, if you want to drink some water, it's there for you. He's been playing ball and he's exhausted, so I'm hoping he'll sleep for another like 3 hours maybe, I don't know. Anyway, it is It's day 13 on the 30-day decluttering challenge, and that means home decor. So anything in your house that you have that's like tchotchkes and is like a decoration thing that you're not into anymore, let's get rid of it today. If it was hiding in a cupboard, if it was like downstairs in the basement, if it was in the garage, get rid of it today. It's taking up valuable real estate in your home. It's taking up space in your brain, in your life. Let's let go of some of that stuff. I can't talk. I don't have a lot of that stuff. I really don't. So this video is gonna be like not super cool in regards to that, but let's take a look and see what we can get rid of today. So I have like this little guy, which I love so bad, but look, he has to be dusted real bad because it's really dusty. It's like a little fun little sea urchin. I forgot who made this, but I got it at Marshall's. It's so cute, I love it. Bowl my friend made for me, not going nowhere. Plants, we love the plants. They're awesome. I gotta put something in this pot. This is my oil diffuser. We love her, she's fabulous. Probably the main stuff I would love to touch, but I have done just recently, so I don't know if it's gonna be effective at all, is maybe the candle area. So we've got, oh look, and there's a pot there too. Candle area might need to be decluttered just a little bit more. I just gotta deal with this pot. Oh my gosh. So this is like Clover puzzle toy, so that can stay there. This candle, there's another pot. Oh my gosh. This is almost done. This is like a Mrs. Meyer's peppermint candle from Christmas. Let's just burn this puppy and get it done. Yes, peppermint. We love a good Christmas candle in August. All right, let's move this pot. I don't know why that's there. This is second pass at all these candles. So I have a bunch of essential oils in here. Those are fine. Those are staying. Had there any candles in here? You know what? Actually, not a super huge fan of this. So we're going to give this to someone else who might like it. I used to really be into Yankee Candle, but this smells, I don't know. There's something kind of basic about this that I really don't like. So we're going to let go of it. Is that insulting? I'm not trying to be insulting, I promise. What's up with this guy? It smells okay. He's almost done anyway, so that's fine. It's like Bath and Body Works. Woodland Forest. That's nice. All right. You know what? It's time maybe to let go of the pumpkin pecan waffles. It doesn't really smell the same anymore, and it's just time to buy a new one. So we're just gonna say goodbye. Okay. What do we have back here? I haven't lit this guy in a while. It smells like smoke. I got it from, it actually smells good. I got it from Target. It's like Chesapeake Bay Mind and Body, and it's focus and patience. Really, you know, it really just smells like fireplace, which is kind of nice, but I mean, not for now, but maybe for when it gets a little colder. I think everything else in here is pretty nice, pretty good. So we're gonna hold on to what we've got left. And if I need to make, actually, what's this? Well, this is fine. This is like another like fireplace candle that I like. Okay. Put the rest of the stuff back. No. Goodbye, Christmas. All right, y'all. I don't want to see anything in the comments about how I can resurrect these or rescue them or whatever. I'm done. I'm done with these. Done with them. The other thing I think I'd like to let go of is this dried hydrangea bush here. I think it's pretty, but every time I brush past it, little pieces of it fall off, and it's really annoying.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake.
All right, we got a candle that was hiding behind it that I had no idea was here. We're gonna light this because we like this candle. It's very cute. But look at the little pieces that fall. It was so annoying. They were falling like all down there and everything. It was super annoying. There's the wheat from my wedding. We're keeping it. also an important time to maintain some of your home decor items. This clock hasn't had the right time in a long time, so it looks like it's missing a battery. So let's go ahead and change that out. So hard to get the battery out of here. There we go, finally. In. Okay. It's hard to put it in and hard to take it out. Okay, let's set the time. 12:30. All right. I actually really want to buy another pumpkin pecan waffle candle because it does smell really good when it's fresh and like hasn't been burned a million bajillion times. It's the only like sweet candle I really like, so that's an excuse for me to go out and buy a brand new one for 2018. Yay! And almost everyone knows this, but if you are done with the candle and it's like down at the bottom, you can go ahead and pop this in the freezer. The wax will contract and you'll be able to pop it out and either reuse this container or put it in the recycling. I do not have a use for these containers, so I go ahead and recycle them. I have reused containers in the past. This guy used to be a candle container and now it is a container for Q-tips. And I thought the top was really cute, so I cleaned it out and reused it. So that was one I reused. The rest I find I don't have a need for, so I just put them in the recycling. We're not focusing. We're not focusing. There we go. Look at that. Look how cute. Very cute. I like because it matches the little pink Q-tips inside. That's just an extra special bonus. Clover keeps following me around because I keep walking around, but he's exhausted and he wants to take a nap. But he's like not taking a nap. Dude, if you need to sleep, go ahead and sleep somewhere. You don't have to follow me around the house, buddy. Everything else is looking pretty good up there. I don't really have a lot of objections to what's up there that's decoration or, you know, tchotchkes and whatever. I have my little crazy decoration area over here. This is a bowl someone gave to me, and this is a little woman that my friend Derek makes. He made this for me on one of my birthdays. It's so cute, and she like kind of floats there. It used to hang, but I have no place to hang it right now. And here's a little guy from Pikmin. If you guys have ever played Nintendo Pikmin, I've got a little Pikachu, and I got a couple of amiibos. I've got Zelda, that's not Zelda. I've got Link from Zelda, and I've got Midna, also from Zelda, Twilight Princess. So my husband got me these amiibos. They're the only two amiibos I have because they go really well with the Zelda Breath of the Wild game. They make fun things happen, and they're very cute, and I love Zelda. So those are sort of my tchotchkes up here, and we've got a couple of these decorations up here, like these little cute things, and that's pretty much it. The fake flowers and stuff I really like. I do think I'm going to take the time to clean some of the decorations. I haven't dusted some stuff in a while, so we're going to do that. Oh, it's a Super Smash Brothers amiibo. I didn't even realize that. That makes it even cooler. I think this is the proper way to dust this. It's like if I just stick this in here. That's actually getting the job done. I have not dusted this since I bought it, which was I think about 2 years ago. It's really one of the only things I bought as like a decoration to our house. So I don't know why I liked it so much when I was at Mart. I just thought it was super cute. I forgot who made it too. I think it's some fashion designers like Homeline. So but I really like it because I like nature, and I think it's really cool that it's like a gold sea urchin. But yeah, I'm getting it clean just like this, so this is very helpful, and I like that it can sit any way you'd like it. It's just one of those pieces that makes me happy when I look at it. Then I'll dust the inside of this bowl as well. And if you guys have plants, don't forget to dust the leaves as well. It can actually benefit the leaves very much if they don't have dust on them. They can, I think, more effectively do photosynthesis. So we're gonna save this bamboo, who's actually doing a little bit poorly at the moment. So I'm not really sure how to save his leaves are yellowing a little bit. So if any of you guys have advice on how to take better care of this bamboo, this is the bamboo they gave us when we moved in. So he's been around for a while, but I need to find out how to save him. He does have very dusty leaves, I'm not gonna lie. So maybe that'll help him a little bit, but if the bamboo leaves are turning yellow, so someone tell me in the comments how to save this bamboo. What should I do? Should I like put it in dirt? It's in water right now. So, because they gave it to us in this weird kind of skinny vase, which it can't be good for it, right? I mean, it looks really cool, but I'd like to I'd like to keep it alive. Oh, now it's not standing up straight. Oh boy. Turn this guy around. Okay, that's better. I don't know why I'm calling it a he because it's actually a girl and his name is Chi. So if any of you guys have any advice for some of these leaves like sort of yellowing, that would be appreciated. Leave a comment down below. This is also a good opportunity while you're like decluttering and getting rid of some house decor to clean the lamps as well. The lamps get a lot of dust on them and no one pays attention, but it can get really dusty and gross. So take the opportunity to sort of take the time and grab the dust off of the lampshades. And we're gonna do a little dusting for the faux flowers beside my bed too, because I'm sure they haven't been dusted in a while. I don't know if this is making it worse or better, but we're gonna give it a try. I probably should go at this with my vacuum cleaner. Let's bring the vacuum cleaner attachment. Okay, that was tons more effective. There was so much dust in each one of these little fake peonies that it was disgusting, but we got it all with the Dyson. This is the Astrid lamp from IKEA, and fun fact, his is brass, so it matches the side table, and mine is silver, because they were bought at 2 different times, but no one's noticed so far, except I just told you guys, so there it is. There's something very satisfying about a good dusting, isn't there? I mean, there really is. Like, this had so much dust on it, I didn't even realize. And it looks so much better now, like a brand new lamp from IKEA. But let's go on to the next thing. Before I get too far, I want you to see how much dust is really in here. So if you can see, it's quite disgusting and dusty. So we're gonna clean this up today. Much happier, much less dusty, much less disgusting faux flowers. So if you guys have faux flowers in your house, don't forget to periodically, every once in a while, go look at them and see how dusty they are. And if they're really dusty, give them a good vacuum or a dusting with the Swiffer. I'm gonna do this board thing as well, although it doesn't look as bad. Okay. She's done. This is so cute. This is one of my favorite little like faux flower arrangements. It was on my vanity for a while, but now it's in the kitchen. This little bottom thing here is from Bath and Body Works from when I used to work there, I think like in 1999 or something. Look, Bath and Body Works at home. They don't have that anymore. So sad. They used to have some cute stuff. So I got some Michael's flowers and put them in here, and I think they just look really cute. You can't find a comfortable place to rest? Is that it? Is that the comfortable place? I think he'll be asleep for a long time today. Okay, let's see if these guys need any help. They are still fairly clean, but you know, they could probably stand for one pass with a vacuum. All right, I've cleaned all my decor. It feels clean. Now I just gotta put everything away because I made a mess somehow. I don't know how I did that. You guys, I'm all done for the day. I feel so clean. It feels so clean in here. I love it. I hope this inspired you to get rid of some of your home decor, or at least take care of some of the home decor that you've been neglecting and haven't been cleaning for the past year, 6 months, however long. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you tomorrow for shoes decluttering. Yeah, I hope that's gonna be okay. Anyway, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.